Hello everyone and welcome to another short tutorial. Today we have a look at a small adapter, which is this one here. The link is listed in the video description below. It's a USB Type-C to USB-A adapter, which is really useful if you're using devices like this one here. That's the Rode NT USB-C. It should work with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. However, the best performance you can achieve is through the cable which was included, and that's a USB Type-C to USB 3 cable. For whatever reason, I couldn't transfer even files from my Insta360 Go to my notebook because I was using a USB-C to USB-C cable and not the one which came with the camera. So here I'm using a MacBook Pro, sorry, this size here, which only features USB Type-C. And for some devices you don't necessarily get a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's the reason why I have this cable, this little adapter here. Link is listed in the video description. Here's the package from all sides. There are two adapters included. Two adapters next to each other won't work on the MacBook Pro. Here's the Rode NT USB-C. Here's the adapter. And that's the original Rode cable. Let's plug it in and see if it's working. And as you can see, the lights are illuminated. That means that the microphone is powered and it's working. And that functions with all devices out there. For instance, USB sticks. For instance, this one here is cool because it features USB-C and USB-A at the same time. You just need to flip it around. If you don't have a stick like this and you need an adapter for any USB stick out there, that's an easy and cheap solution of how it's going to work. Thank you very much for your attention. The link is listed in the video description. All the best and see you very soon.